Hi everyone, how are you all doing? In this video I'm gonna explain how to track down this specific error message, InvalidCastException. And if you get this error message and you have no clue why that happens, and you checked your code, you rechecked your code, nothing strange. If that happens, I'm gonna explain what is going on. The thing is that if you don't rename your node and you keep the name suggested, then you also know that the node names are the same as the types. So animated sprite is both the node name and a type. So here I'm doing the cast, and I try to convert anything that getNode mySpriteReturns into an animated sprite. And I defined the variable sp with the class animatedSprite and made it public. So let me explain what is happening. Let's say we add a script to animatedSprite, and notice that it says load and not create. This means that it loads another class named animatedSprite, which is our node. So here it says public class animatedSprite. And another thing is that if you delete the node animatedSprite, it keeps any previous script on the hard drive. And when you create the node animatedSprite again and create a script from it, it loads the previously created script into that. It doesn't create a new one. So here we have my file animatedSprite, and it is loaded, and this class is named animatedSprite. So this is only our node. It is not the functionality of animatedSprite. If you want the functionality, if you want to use all the animation features and so on, then you need to explicitly tell Godot that you use the namespace Godot, and in that namespace you use the class animatedSprite. And here's another thing that may be confusing. Let's close this one and let's delete the node. Okay, and a saved player. Then I have another animated sprite here, and I delete that node and I save. So now we don't have animated sprite. So then we should be fine, shouldn't we? Shouldn't Godot figure out that we want to use Godot's animated sprite and not our scene animated sprite? So let's try to run this, and it crashed. And it doesn't like to cast into animated sprite. So when this happens, we need to tell that we want to use the animated sprite class defined in the namespace. So you can look at the namespace as a box where you have all the tools that you use in Godot. And of course you need to change this also down here, and the error will go away. So let's play this game. Left, right, and jump. It works. Hooray! So I hope this video was helpful. If you struggle with this problem yourself and now you know what's up, you know why this happens, please click like and subscribe if you found any value in this video. I really appreciate that you watched this video, and take care and see you in my next video. Bye bye.